Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDC from Bybit to Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you need to tap on Assets tab in the bottom. Afterwards, you need to select the withdraw option. Then in the search box, you simply need to search for USDC and you simply need to tap on USDC stay option. Afterwards, it will ask you to provide the address or scan the QR code. So if you need to get that QR code or the address from our Trust Wallet, so you just have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for the USDC. Once done that, you will be able to see USDC on a bunch of different networks like on BNB Smart Chain, Tron, Ethereum, on Polygon or Arbitrum, etc. So you just have to select the chain on which you want to transfer the USDC. For this video, I'm going to select it as Tron. Then you need to tap on the receive button over here and it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy this deposit address from here. Then you need to come back to Bybit and you simply need to place the address in the section. Afterwards, in the network, you will have to select the same network that we have selected in Trust Wallet, which was PRT20. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after that, you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the information that you've given to it, and then you just have to confirm your withdrawal. In this way, you will be able to easily transfer USDC from Bybit to Trust Wallet. So if the video is helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.